What if growing your business didn't require more hours, more advertising, or chasing down customers? What if clients came directly to you, ready to buy, without costing you a single dollar in marketing? Welcome to the Your Energy Pros Preferred Vendor Program, where trusted service providers get more clients, more reviews, more visibility, and more revenue, with less effort than ever before. As a preferred vendor, you get direct access to our member clients. These are homeowners and businesses who already need your services. No advertising, no lead generation, no wasted time. Just steady work, delivered straight to your business, reliable assignments, predictable workflow, zero marketing cost. We also help you stay busy year-round. Through seasonal campaigns and promotions, we increase loyalty and unlock upsell opportunities. Your slow seasons? They just got a whole lot busier. Every completed service automatically triggers a review request. That means more reviews, more trust, more visibility, all without you lifting a finger, and more reviews lead to more clients. As a preferred vendor, you benefit from national-level endorsement, ongoing promotion, brand visibility, and marketing support. You stay front and center while spending less on advertising. Our platform keeps everything simple. Automated reminders, centralized communication, clear job details. Clients stay informed, you stay organized. Everyone wins. And when you're ready to grow, we help you expand into new territories with confidence. Our infrastructure, your expertise, unlimited potential. The preferred vendor title sets you apart. Priority placement, higher credibility, stronger trust, a real competitive edge over non-member service providers. The Preferred Vendor Program was built for one simple reason: to help you grow your business without spending more on marketing. More clients, more revenue, more opportunities, all in one powerful partnership. Apply today. Preferred vendor spots are limited.